Let's fix my dad's old chainsaw machine. So I found this in my dad's shop, so I'm gonna add some mixture to it. Pull off the cap. And add I don't know what the mixture is, my dad's special mixture. Let's add it in. See if it's fire up. Cap on. Now it has a choke and it has the start stop. This doesn't have like a bubble thing to it. It's the oil. The oil is probably good. So let's see if it starts. Let's see if it'll start. Okay, so I gotta show you something. Look at that. It's just all. It's bad. Let me show you. Look at that. So I'm gonna try to get that all out of there. Let me get a rag. Get a pair of needle pliers to get the big chunks out of there. I gotta take all that off. It's bad. Get a Phillips because it's 2 Phillips screws. Get that one done. Just go to the screwdriver. Okay, so it won't come undone. So I'm gonna stop with it for the day because it's getting dark. Comment down below for part 2. Most likely I have to get a new carburetor for it. And yeah, different gas. So comment down below what should I do.